Hey, what's up YouTube? It's your boy Jam0510 with the quick unboxing video. But before I start, thank all my viewers, my subscribers for support. Really appreciate it. This is a package I picked up from an Instagram user that I follow, John12D. He's a good dude, legit dude. So if you want to follow him, I'll actually have the link in the description. So let's crack this open right here. I noticed that he was actually clearing up some shoes, some space for shoes that he left at his other place that he couldn't actually bring over. So I decided to grab this pair right here. And this is a pair that's pretty much, he said that it can pass as a dead stock. So he pretty much really just tried them on and haven't really worn it. So as you can see right here, it is, it is on a Jordan 11 box right here. You got the 2-3 there, size 10 Air Jordan 11 Retro. Colorway is black, gamma blue, black, white, varsity maize right there. As you can tell by the label, this is the gamma 11, gamma blue 11s right here. Slide out box. You got the shield again that will say, Mike, Tinker made them shine, Mike made them fly, you made them iconic. And like all the 11s pretty much. You got the carbon fiber looking paper on here. And oh, he did get this from, I guess, Well Gosh when he got it before. So there it is. Here they are, and this is a pair of shoes that I missed out when they released. So, all right, as you can see right here, it says like the bottom. It is a clean bottom right here. Carbon fiber. You don't really see a lot of like dirt or anything like that on here. Got the 2-3 right there. You got shoe shield right there. Yeah, so it's a clean shoe. Again, doesn't look like, again, it was just never really worn right there. Here's the other pair. And you got the Jumpman right there, the 2-3. And the shoe tree right here, and again the bottom, clean bottom. So dope to finally add this to my collection. Again, I'll link all of John12D's information in the bottom. But if you guys have any questions, just hit me up, leave me a comment or inbox me, and I'll also leave my my information in the bottom as well. Or YouTube, if you guys have any questions, again, just hit me up. Or YouTube. Peace out.